What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you the one pruning cut you should be making to all of your trees every spring and why it's so important. Every late winter, early spring, sap flow begins to return from the roots of the trees back to the branches, and this presents itself with bud break. You're going to start seeing your trees flower, you're going to start seeing the trees begin to leaf out and put on brand new leaves for the season. And when this happens, it makes one thing painfully clear. It clearly illustrates any branches that died during the winter. It's completely normal for any tree, whether it's a fruit tree or just an ornamental tree, to have some winter dieback because, hey, trees are living beings and parts of them die as they age. So now is the time when we want to inspect all of our trees. We want to check over for any branches that are not breaking bud or flowering because these branches are more than likely dead and we need to remove them. Here is a great example on this fig tree. You see a branch right here and you're starting to see buds swell at the nodes here, and there's actually a little bit of green right here where we are breaking the bud and we are getting a little braba fig. Same thing on this branch right here. You're starting to see bud swell. There's a green little tip right there, but you're not seeing that on this branch right here, and it looks desiccated from the winter cold. And look at that. That snaps right off. So we want to make sure that we cleanly cut that and remove that dead wood. Same thing with this fig tree right here. I'm starting to see a little bit of color return to this bud right here, and this growth is nice and pliable. Oh, look at that. This one just snapped off right in my hand. So I'm going to remove that. And if you look right behind it, you'll also notice this wood right here is shriveled up and desiccated. So we're going to remove that as well. Look at this piece of dead wood right here. This one's actually getting bored into by early season pests. We need to remove that as soon as possible. Insects colonize dead and dying wood on our trees, so it is very important that we inspect them all right now and remove all of that dead wood so the insect pests do not colonize our trees while it's still early in the season before most of the insects wake up for the spring. Some insects, like boring beetles, can actually kill your trees, so we really need to clean them up now before it's too late. To do this pruning, you want two different tools. You want a fine-toothed pruning saw, something like this small Japanese pull saw right here, and a pair of anvil pruners, because they are specifically made to cut through dead wood. We don't want to use bypass pruning shears, because bypass pruners are made to cut living wood. If you use bypass pruners to cut dead wood, that will chip up and dull the blades. I'll place links down in the video description to all of these tools for your convenience. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip.
If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.